is a Javali on Nayaka. Predominantly, if you observe the texts, this has always been addressing on Nayika, whether it is Padams or Javalis, whether it is Kshetraya or Ghanam or Dharmapuri. I was always thinking, what if a Nayaka was given an opportunity to speak, say something to the Nayika or justify himself? I think the Khandita Nayika would mellow down. That is the story I have taken here, where O Cheli na mata vinave. O Cheli, listen to me, I have come. Here Krishna plays very innocent himself as a Nayaka, and here Nayika is also innocent and is upset, and he tries to console her. O Cheli na mata vinave, e kopam inkelane. Why this anger? I have come back to you. And then he realizes that okay, she is very, very angry. So he explains her. Mugdha, Madhya, Pragalbha. I have taken the textual words also. When you're Mugdha, you played with me. When you're Madhya, you gave your manas, you fell in love with me. And when you're Pragalbha, we made love games. And after all of this, since childhood, that I had only you and you had only me, you think for just one day's delay would cause me cheating you? And hence I have come back for you. And also the last charanam addresses the fact where a woman needs to be praised after all. So he says, Alaka Neeku Saundaryamu, you being upset is a beauty. And Kopamu Ati Andamu, your anger is your jewel and ornament. And hence I surrender to you and make me one in you. And he surrenders herself and she melts down for him, and Nayika and Nayaka combine to show the unison. Enjoy the Javali. It is in Ragam Shuddha Saveri.
चली ओ चली ओ चली न మాట వినవే ఈ కోపము ఇంకేలనే ఈ కోపమింకేలనే ఓ చలిన మాట వినవే 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 ఈ కోపమింకేలనే ఓ చలి ఓ చలి ఆటలాడి మధ్యవై మనసునిచ్చి ముగ్ధవై ఆటలాడి మధ్యవై మనసునిచ్చి ప్రగల్భవై సరసములాడినా ప్రగల్భవై సరసములాడిన నాపై ఏ కోపమో ఇంకేలనే ఏ కోపమింకేలనే ఓ చలీన మాట వినవే ఏ కోపమింకేలనే ఓ చలి ఓ చలి ఏ అలక నీకు సౌందర్యము కోపము అతి అందము అలక నీకు సౌందర్యము కోపము అతి అందము నీ వలలో నేనైక్యము నీ వలలో నేనైక్యము నీ వలలో నేనైక్యము వసంత గోపాలుడు నీ సొంతము వసంత గోపాలుడు నీ సొంతము ఓ చలీన మాట వినవే ఈ కోపమింకేలనే ఓ చలి ఓ చలి ఓ చలి 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 చలి